Alright, here is a quick video of my sister's Hyper-Tough 1.5 gallon 2-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum. She's had this now for probably a year or two, at least according to the box here. It was ordered on April of 2024. And this is basically what it came with. So you got the hose, the crevice tool, the upholstery tool, which is inside of here. As you can tell, it hasn't been used yet. A wet filter, and you also got the dry filter that's already inside. Last but not least is this hinge that basically you drill these holes into the wall and put this on, and you have this hanging up as shown from here. Not to mention, this is also a blower too. You can just take the hose out of here and plug this in and use it as a blower. So as you can see, this is sold through Walmart. Just a basic wet dry vacuum. You got your standard on and off switch here. I'm not going to open up the canister because my sister bought this to use to clean up her rabbit cage, and so it's already got some rabbit pellets and other things I'd rather not have my hands touch inside. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and plug this in and turn it on. Surprisingly powerful for what it is, especially with a dirty filter inside. So, hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.